The government of the United States of America, which does include the state of Hawaii, is a democracy, a government of, for, and by the people, not of, for, and by the politicians. As elected officials, you politicians are obligated to represent the voice of the people. You do not rule and reign over the people. If you neglect the voice of the people, you will be removed from office. The voice of the people of Hawaii is clear. The gay marriage proposal has been overwhelmingly voted down twice, and the traditional marriage rally at the Capitol Monday night, 28th of October 2013, was evidence that the people have not changed their minds. David Bentz, a pro-gay supporter, said, "Whenever you leave the rights of the minority up to the majority, that's a bad day." Here's a newsflash, David. That's exactly what of, for, and by the people is all about. Go live somewhere else if you don't like democracy. Homosexuality is not an alternative lifestyle. It is a perversion. You have the right to choose to be perverted. You do not have the right to force your perversion on anyone else. Such action is just an attempt to soothe your guilty conscience. To legalize this abomination would be the same as legalizing child molestation. Both are an unconventional, corrupted attraction. Every individual struggles with some weakness or challenge, be it as simple as proper punctuality or as serious as road rage or substance abuse. The difference is, we do not excuse our wrong behavior and then try to justify it. Instead, we fight these attractions to overcome them. The people have decided. You will honor the voice of the people.
The Capitol grounds are packed. Both sides of the streets are lined. I love it. Let us vote or we'll vote you out. You can be fired. Awesome, ladies. Good for you. Bring out the Constitution. I'm going to make sure this gets put on YouTube. Spread it around. Let's make sure that the people of Hawaii see this. Dude, you came from one man and one woman, and so did I. Awesome. You're a registered voter. Good job. Traditional marriage is the lifeblood of the human race. Yep. Let's do it, guys.
I was our MC today and the chairman of the coalition to let the people decide on marriage. We brought 10,000 cards to give to legislators saying we do not want same-sex marriage. Every one of them was gone. I think this was a tremendous success. What we hope to do is hold these people together for the elections next year and be an organized electoral party to actually get people of values elected. Thank you for coming.